Good morning, students. We have done we were doing chapter number 2b, type of chemical change, and we have discussed about the three types. That is, first type, chemical combination reaction. In this, the two reactants combine to form a single product. You can see this is combined to form single product. So this is chemical combination reaction. Chemical decomposition is its opposite. AB breaks. Decomposed means break. So AB break to give two products. This is chemical decomposition reaction, and it is brought about by heat, electric current, electricity, or with the help of light, sunlight. So third type of reaction is displacement reaction, in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from the solution. So here AC and B are product. Double decomposition reaction. Now in this lecture we will discuss about the fourth type in detail. Double decomposition reaction. The two compounds react together to form two new compounds. It is similar to displacement, but there are two ions are exchanged. Two compound reacts to form two new compound by mutual exchange of the radicals. See here, this is the A positive, B negative, and C positive, D negative. In this case, both the negative ions, this negative ion changes its place, D. B negative changes with the D, and D is changed with the B. So A positive ion. We always write positive ion first. So A is positive. A is positive. A के साथ D आ जाएगा. AD. D is negative. And here B is negative. B we will write after. So CB. CB will be the product. C plus and B negative. So AD and CB are the product. Both the negative ions are exchanged with each other, so there are two exchanges, therefore it is called double decomposition reaction. Now this double decomposition reaction is again of two types: precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. In the precipitation reaction, as the name precipitate, it means insoluble salt that is formed during the reaction. So in this case, the two compounds in their aqueous state, they react to form an insoluble salt as one of the product. Two compounds will react, two compounds are reacting, and two new compounds are formed in this reaction. But one of the product is in the insoluble form. Insoluble, and for example, NaCl reacts with AgNO3. This Cl is exchanged with NO3 negative ion, and in the place of NO3 negative ion we will write here Cl negative, and in the place of Cl negative we will write here NO3. So NaNO3 plus AgCl will be the product, and AgCl is insoluble in the solution, therefore insoluble salt is called precipitate. This is white in color. This is silver color, silver chloride, white color. Precipitates will be formed. Now second type is neutralization reaction. In the neutralization reaction, acid and base are reacts to form the salt and water. Salt and water. As you see, HCl and NaOH reacts to form water and NaCl. This is the salt. And what are the application or uses of the neutralization reaction? When someone is injected, when someone is stung by the bee inject formic acid in his body, and this causes very pain, and is neutralized by rubbing the spot with the slaked lime or baking soda. These both are bases. So when acid is injected by the bee, it cut the skin on the, it bite on the skin. So acid is injected in the skin, and it is neutralized by adding the base, acid base reaction, and hence the pain will be relieved. Similarly, acidity of the stomach. When someone is feeling acidity, then it is relieved by taking the milk of magnesia or baking soda. Both are basic in nature, so it is neutralized. If soil is acidic, so it is also, its acidity is neutralized by adding the slaked lime. Now what is hydrolysis reaction? This is another type of hydrolysis reaction. It is the opposite of the neutralization reaction. When the salt and water reacts to form acid and base, the Inverse of neutralization is the hydrolysis. When the salt and water reacts to form acid and base, this is called hydrolysis reaction. Now, what is the nature of the salt? When both are strong, acid is strong, base is also strong, then salt will be neutral. But if acid is strong and base is weak, then what will be the nature of the salt? In this second case, acid is strong, so it will be acidic. Salt will be acidic. Now, if acid, first case, second case and third case, if we will take weak acid and strong base, so base is strong, therefore salt will be basic in nature. This is all about the type of reactions, and all of the chapter 2b is now completed. Thank you.